this video, I'm going to show you how to activate number row for your keyboard on your Xiaomi Pad 5. So in order to do that, we'll need to open any app that allows our keyboard to pop up. For example, I will use Notes here. And as you can see, I don't have numbers right here. I will need to go to the numbers section to write some numbers. So to actually add them, we'll need to go to the settings, scroll down, find additional settings, languages and input, and from here current keyboard is Gboard, make sure it's that, manage keyboards, select Gboard preferences and enable number row. Now if we go back to the notes and start writing, we have numbers right here above the letters and we don't need to change to the number section. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.